Assalamualaikum, thank everyone. I hope all of you are beautified by the grace of Allah Almighty Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I will some well by the grace of Almighty in the greater. And today I'm looking forward of you. Today I'm gonna discuss and read about forming of database code question. It's very important for us because that if we get some like information, you must know about this. And you must ask something like you must use this word. Now we know that the W square. Now whenever we make that W question, so you must need to the W square word. You must need to learn. You must need to recognize this W word. This W word is whom, where, when, how, why, what, which, and whose. These are the main W word. Now, so in this W word, now we can make the W code question. So now whenever we make the W code question, we need to like structures. The first structure is if subject underline. If subject underline, that you use this structure is the structure is W word plus verb plus the object or the extension. Then you must use the W is mark the question marks. Okay, another rules. If subject not underlined, if subject not underlined, if subject not underlined, we can use this mega structure. W is word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus principal verb plus object or an extension. And after that, it's like you have to use the question marks. In this to make the structure, like you can make the whole W is good question. Okay, so now we know this and make the structure, and let's look at some more examples. So I will give my examples. The doctor visited Shima last night. Then here now we can see an example. The doctor visited Shiva last night. If in this sentence the doctor underline, how will we perform this W question? Here we can see the doctor is a subject, so you must follow the first step like this structure, because of we can see subject underline. If subject underline, you can use this structure. W is word, verb 1, object extension, and then back to question marks. Here we can see the doctor is a subject, so it must follow this mapping this structure. So the doctor is about the person, so we must use who. Whenever we find that the subject is about the person, then we must use who. The W question is who, then are here being visited and Shima last night. And then question marks. Here we can say the who visited Shima last night. Our answer is the doctor. And if the subject do not underline, if subject underline, if not underline Shima, then how will it for this W is good question. Here now we can say that doctor visited Shiva last night. Here, Shiva underline. Shiva is a person also, but Shiva is an object here. Whenever this part of the person by object that you must use whom. This we can use Shiva is not subject, but there is a term who follow this second minus structure. The second minus structure is nominal word auxiliary verb, subject, principal verb, object, and the question marks. Okay. Here we can write whom. Then we must use auxiliary verb. But in this sentence there is no auxiliary verb. So like you have to create auxiliary verbs. Here we can see the visited is verb 2 here, right? Verb 2, whenever we find verb 2 in the sentence, you must use did. Okay? Did. Then subject here, the doctor. The doctor. Then verbs we take principal verb. This verb here we visited. We use visit. Whenever we use did, then the verb is based from the verbs. Okay? Here last night. Last like days. Then question marks. We can see these two line structure. That if the subject underlined, then we must use this line structure. And if certain subject not underlined, then you can use this line structure. Okay. If the underline last night, how will it solve it? How will it conform this the sentence? If underline last night, then we can say last night is the time here, right? There is not the subject not underlined, right? Then you use the second line structure. Here structure W is verb, auxiliary verb, subject, principal verb, object, and like a question mark. So you can use last night is a time. Then whenever you find the time, then you must use when. Okay. So when there are more auxiliary verb, there is no auxiliary verb. We can see visited is constitutive verb verb 2. Then we must use did. Did, then subject the doctor. The doctor. Doctor. Shima. Then when if the doctor visit Shima. Then here verb 1 visit. Visit, then another one, Shima. Okay? So guys, in this like the structure in this tool, like in this structure of now we can make a lot of this question only to a structure. The first one is if the subject underline, maybe you can use these with the structures, boundaries words, verb 1, object or like extension, then question marks, and another one if subject not underlined, then you can use W or auxiliary or subject instead of verb object and knife extension, and then like I said, W word. You can make and like you can forming all the W question with these line structure. Okay, so memorize this line structure and try to make another question. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.